Golpe is a very important resource and a very important tool, and this Golpe thing has to be deep because when we are playing strummings, here if we lessen that power of the percussion aspect of this thing, then it becomes just very weak rhythm, right? Like, also when we have the thumb resting, this thing here is there. In fact, the very tone of the top should come out. So look, so we mute the strings as opposed to just a dead golpe there. So therefore these two fingers have to act as a unit together, these two. And another thing is to find the sweet spot for that, because generally, well, it's by the side of the wing here of the bridge, right? And not to this place because of the bars which are inside. That will make it less deep, the sound. So this one thing here is very important, because everything on the strummings and the rhythms that we play another thing is that when we play Golpe, and when we play, say, if we have free hand, we play index down from the 6th string, which by the way, here we are playing say, any chord that has a 6th string to be played. This, we have to make this one louder, then therefore the hand has to move. So one thing is that if I have the hand in the same place, say if I am doing this thing, then it means I'm going perpendicular to the top, this way, right? And as opposed to that direction. So we need to hit it there, like that, and therefore we need to move the hand. It's a tricky thing, this. But this is a good question, because Golpe is important to be played perfect if you want to play modern flamenco guitar properly. This means that nail should not be there, because this is very noisy nail thing. So it should be flash Golpe, and then with the middle ring finger together as a unit, we play that direction there, that way. So of course then it depends on many other aspects, but we are answering here for those who have the proper instrument to be played as well, because if the bridge is very thick or the top is not proper, like with these liberated tops, it's very nice the sound of the golpe, also because the top is not tightened there inside. But anyway, you do it with any guitar you have available. So then of course if you have the proper one, then what to say. But this thing here, it has to be moving the hand down. Therefore, if I am doing this and the hand is in the same place, then that's wrong, because so many people do things like this and first of all never hit the 6th string. So when we have the thumb resting, first we will do it on free hand. And for example, if we play this thing just, let's say, at 78, just the golpe, like this, and then search the sweet spot to do that. Then when the index is there, so this is the demo. Here we have the golpe, tapping, not this, and then it's dead, the vibration, because if one finger hits first and then the other goes and stops the top from vibrating, that's why this is one thing, and the other is to not play it moving, with there is a certain motion of the hand downward to get that. So if I play, say, in strumming, and if I play without this deepness there, it will sound this thing as opposed to this. So this is very important. Actually, this thing rhythmically, this is not 20–50% of your sound is there on the golpe thing. So you should also do this very carefully. Let's say that if we play at 78 beats per minute, let's do just one note. First, we will play just the golpe alone. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was just with the golpe. Now, if we play when we play index down and tapping with middle ring finger flash, it should sound same as when we are playing just the golpe, same difference. This is a problem because when index is there down, index down from the 6th string, you have to do it from half of the fingernail out from the 6th string and sound same this thing here than this. Look, here is one golpe alone and one with the index for you to listen to. Alone with index, alone, index, golpe, golpe, index down, golpe, golpe, index down. Notice how the sound, the deepness of the sound is the same. So, look, 1 and 1. Should be same because sometimes there it becomes weak depending, and also when the thumb is there resting as well. So say if you play por medio, say you're going. Same thing, the sound should be same when I'm hitting also from 5th down. Let's do a little bit of golpe with the index down alone as before. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then of course, it's not a matter of strength, but it has to sound musical, this thing. It's not bomb to play, it's not a strength thing, but it's just the way you hit the top, the direction and the way you hit it, right? And then of course, with some guitars will sound deeper than with others, but if you have the right technique, then you can play it anywhere. That's why, while playing strummings, this thing here, there is no way that you can learn this alone. That's another thing. You have to be supervised to learn it the right way, because when you repeat things, if you repeat this 3 times wrong, the 4th time is prone to be wrong also. So we need to avoid this 0 repetition, not repeating wrong things. That's why in Skype we check the material is proper. But I will also continue now with an interactive exercise, and I want you to record yourself. You put the video with the same volume you have there with the speakers on your computer, and then you play that video and then play against me, and then you compare one sound, your sound and mine, because we need also a point of reference to play. Otherwise, how we learn it? You cannot just say this is index down like this and then that's it. No, we have to know how we are supposed to sound. Therefore, now we continue with the interactive exercise. So here what we're going to do is to play at 78 beats per minute. We will play like this. Me, you. Me, you. Me, you. Me, you. And then, because I want you to compare your sound with my sound, it should be same or better. And that's the idea. So, and also because here you just, well, of course you wait 1 beat and play after me, and then you can also record yourself. The idea of this thing is that you send me a video, you record yourself playing this, and then sound should be same quality if you do it right, the technique. So this is the exercise. First, let's start with the golpe alone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, so now let's do index down from the 6th string and golpe. So this should sound same, look. Golpe, golpe index down. And we will play, right? But we will do it more separated, because if you do, then you don't hear anything. So you have to do one and wait a moment, listen, be aware of what you're doing. So let's do the interactive one, same thing. You play one, I play one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's play one and one. One golpe alone, and then one time index down golpe. Let's do that interactive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Golpe, index down golpe. Golpe, index down golpe. Golpe, index down golpe. Alone, index down golpe. Golpe, alone, index down golpe. So to conclude now, we will play with the thumb resting by the side of the rosette. And here again we have to be careful, because the thumb, if the thumb is too much towards here, or what to speak of in here, then it will bring us close to the 2 bars inside. And then, of course, well, these ones are liberated, and therefore it's not the same to play with these bars liberated at the top than with the top tighten there. But anyway, the thing is that here we will not sound the same than here. Look, this is tightened, even if I hit the same way. So we need to target also the 5th string is the main target, and therefore is the string that should sound loud. The sound should be the same when we play index down freehand, index down with the thumb resting on the 6th string, to play por medio and all that, like hitting the 5th string should be louder, or the golpe alone. So golpe, index down golpe, and index down golpe with the thumb resting. It should be same sound. It's not that strong stuff like calm, but just the way you hit should be musical and deep. Therefore, let's go with the interactive exercise to conclude this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now to make sure that our sound is same with only golpe, golpe index down with free hand, and also with the thumb resting here on the 6th string. If we play here, then the golpe will fall by the side of the wing, which is where it should be. And to make sure that we sound the same, all three, namely golpe alone, index down golpe with free hand, and index down golpe with the thumb resting. Let's play a little bit of this interactive thing in that order there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Golpe. So then index down, golpe, and then index down like this way. Let's do it. E. 1, 2, 3, 4. So why? Because when we are playing, we may have to use at the same time all three, or at least two of them combined. So these would be helpful. Let's try to play it 78 beats per minute. Just record for me 3 or 4 minutes of this thing to listen how you play it also, and for you to listen yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Golpe alone, index down golpe, index down golpe with thumb resting. E. Golpe, free hand, thumb resting. Go. That's right. Because when we will play, just to give one example. How important this thing is. Three, four, eight. Imagine if I play without the golpe, how it sounds. Very weak, right? As opposed to so, and also be very careful when you are hitting the strings. Always you avoid playing first and second string. Only low 4 when free hand and middle 4 when the index, when the thumb is resting on the 6th string. Actually, just 3, 5th, 4th, 3rd will be mainly. Second may sound, I mean, it's not a big deal, but this thing here is very important to target the song properly and avoid playing first string always. Okay, thank you, and I see you next time.